Hello teacher, let me introduce myself. My name is Patricia Sidalako from grade 12 Science 1. In this video, I will show you how to make turmeric milk. Before that, you have to know the benefit of turmeric milk's materials. Turmeric milk boosts your immunity. Milk has nutrition and protein that benefit our health. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin. Cinnamon helps our body fight infection and repair tissue damage. Ginger helps indigestion, fight the flu and common cold. Coconut oil is healthy fat, boosts energy and endurance. Honey is natural sweetener and suppress coughs. The ingredients are 2 cups of milk, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of pepper, half inch of cinnamon, 1 inch of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of honey. The equipment are a stove, a pan, a glass, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, and a strainer. The first step, whisk and mix the ingredients number 1, 2, 6. That's milk, turmeric, pepper, cinnamon, ginger, and coconut oil. Next, boil them in a pan. After the flavor absorbs, add 1 teaspoon of honey. It's optional, according to your taste. Mix well. Don't wait until it's boiled. After the flavor absorbs and hot slightly, turn off the stove. Strain and pour in a glass. Finally, the turmeric milk ready to serve. That is how to make turmeric milk. I hope it is useful for us.